Getting hit with the Warzone Memory Error 19,1793? Don't worry, here's how to fix it step by step. First, restart your PC or console and clear background apps. This error is often caused by low available memory. On PC, head to intobattle.net or Steam, right-click Warzone, select Scan and Repair or Verify Integrity of Game Files to fix any corrupted files. Step 3. Update your GPU drivers. Outdated graphics drivers are one of the top causes for this memory error. Step 4. Lower in-game settings like texture resolution and on-demand texture streaming. This reduces VRAM usage and stabilizes performance. If you're on console, make sure you have enough free storage and clear cache by restarting in safe mode. As a last resort, reinstall Warzone to ensure all files are fresh and error-free. And that's it. Follow these steps and you should be back in the game without that annoying memory error slowing you down. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you found this video helpful, and don't forget to leave us your thoughts in the comments.